Okay, finally, let us look at the economic analysis of solar energy. So that means how we can get the economical benefits and what are their advantages, all those things we can see. So first of all, in the long term, we can be getting a lot of energy cost savings because solar energy offers significant long-term cost savings compared to traditional energy sources because of the abundance of sunlight and it is freely available. Right, this abundance ensures a consistent as well as predictable energy source over the system's lifetime, reducing reliance on costly fossil fuels. That means if you take the power from the conventional grid, you will be getting or you will be imposed with the electricity bills that you are currently getting. But if you replace that grid system with the solar renewable system, then there won't be any electricity bills from the grid side. Of course, we cannot completely replace, but few cost savings can be done with the installation of solar photovoltaic cells or panels, right? Okay, then what next? We can have decreasing initial setup costs. So because of the current technological developments and the economies of scale, the costs of installing renewable energy systems, especially solar PV, is getting reduced. Okay, so because they are also easily accessible and financially viable for a broader range of consumers and businesses. That means even not only the rich consumers but also the middle class consumers can also afford it because the costs are getting reduced continuously over a time. And further we can have minimal operating as well as maintenance costs because once they are installed, the solar energy systems will be having minimal operating and maintenance costs when you compare with fossil fuel based energy sources. Because of this, the overall lifetime costs will be reduced, and anyways we are not having any ongoing expenses because there is no fuel requirement here, right? What else? And moreover, we can even get the government incentives because more often we will be getting benefit from the government because they are encouraging the solar installations, otherwise renewable energy installations for the benefit of the society, right? So because of the incentives also we can get some amount of money for that, right? And even the return on investment will be there over a time, and this time will be continuously reduced because as I said the installation costs are getting reduced, right? So the return on investment for solar energy systems, of course it will be varying based on different factors, that is location, system size, energy consumption as well as available incentives. If there are more incentives, the return on investment will be like the time to take the return on investment will be less, right? That is payback period. In other sentences, the return on investment will be more, right? And there is one more option, that is to sell the excess energy available with your system to the grid, and if there is net metering program, you can even get some amount of money from the grid side when you sell your energy to the grid. That is also possible. And even the hedging against future energy price volatility, that means the solar energy provides a hedge against future energy price volatility as sunlight is a renewable resource with predictable availability. It means unlike fossil fuels whose prices can fluctuate due to geopolitical events and supply demand dynamics, solar energy offers stability and predictability in energy costs over the long term because it is freely available, right? There won't be much volatility in that. And not only the direct economical benefits, as a whole in this world, we can get lot of indirect economic benefits because of the creation of jobs and also reduced air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions and even increased energy independence and security. Right, these benefits will be contributing to the overall economic growth of the country or the world, and for public health and environmental sustainability, enhancing overall societal well-being. Right, this is all about economical analysis of solar energy. Fine, so that's it. Thank you very much.